Introducing the DOITOOL Cake Carrier Holder Clear Cake Boxes, the perfect solution for transporting and displaying your delicious cakes. With its fashion-forward design and elegant appearance, our Cake Pop Boxes packaging adds a touch of sophistication to any occasion. The crystal clear surface effect enhances the appearance of your lovely cakes, while also ensuring easy transportation and protection from dust. Measuring at 32 by 22 by 22 centimeters, 12.6 by 8.7 by 8.7 inch, our transparent cake box is the ideal size for convenient carrying and transporting of cakes. You can now take your homemade creations to parties, birthdays, weddings, and anniversaries with ease. Not limited to cakes alone, these clear cake boxes are versatile and can also be used to showcase desserts, biscuits, chocolates, cupcakes, handicrafts, and gifts. They make for a lovely gift decoration that is sure to impress. Made with excellent quality plastic materials, these cake carriers are safe, durable, and resistant to damage. You can rely on their long-term service to protect your precious baked goods. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international usage. It is always recommended to check compatibility before making a purchase. Don't miss out on the convenience and elegance of our DOITOOL Cake Carrier Holder Clear Cake Boxes. Get yours today and make your cakes the center of attention at any event. Product information: ASIN B0CD65TX73 Bestsellers Rank Number 544,453 in Kitchen and Dining. See Top 100 in Kitchen and Dining. Number 390 in Cake Carriers. Number 166,236 in Kitchen Utensils and Gadgets. Date first available: July 30, 2023.